Hey guys, it's Tony W. So I got these garden hoses that expand, and they're pretty awesome. What they do is they're actually made of heavy duty latex rubber, and it expands as you plug it in. I also got these quick release brass cup links, so I could quickly add it to the Y adapter to my spigot. My old hose is still on the side in a reel, but at the same time, I rarely use it now because I prefer these expanding garden hoses because they're so lightweight. I also love this brass connector because I could quickly connect something else to it, and the fact that these hoses already have like a sprayer and stuff, but for my parents who can't really move and reel those heavy rubber hoses anymore, this is actually a really cool thing. The reason why is because it's super lightweight. It expands 3 times its length, so this is actually a 75-foot hose. I also got a 100-foot hose as well for the other side of the house, but it expands very well. As you can see, it starts adding water to it, and it starts getting bigger and bigger. I like what it did for the thing because it's actually like a polyester jacket that goes over it, and there's plenty of pressure on it, so it does up to like about over 100 psi at least for this thing, which is really cool. There is a 3/4 connector for your garden hose, and it has a shutoff valve that can be sealed, and there comes with like plenty of like gaskets and plumber's tape, but I really didn't need to use it. The only thing I didn't like about it is that those little rubber ends to help it from the metal brass part does slip off, but it doesn't seem to affect it at all. Like I said, I do like the fact that I put a quick release thing. So after you're done using it, you just basically put it back in the bucket. Of course, drain it first, and by doing a quick release like that, you can quickly drain it and then put it in the bucket and hide it from everywhere else. Anyways, guys, that's really about it. I really do love these new expanding garden hoses. They're super convenient and super lightweight. It's Tony W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.